गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू? वेलकम टू अनदर डे अनदर व्लॉग। कैसे आप लोग उम्मीद करते हैं ठीक ठाक होंगे, वैसे में होंगे। बियर्ड उड़ गई है आज। यस, my AirPods too. Let me open it up and show you guys how it is looking. I'm very nervous because मैंने पहली बार जो है वो कहीं से मतलब ऑनलाइन इतनी महंगी चीज़ और वो भी टेलीमार्ट से मंगवाई। आई डोंट नो, but I'm really happy. I got my AirPods and I'm just going to open this one up in front of you. अनबॉक्सिंग के लिए कोई नाइफ नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं है, तो देसी तरीका यूज़ करो मैं बॉल पॉइंट के साथ। I'm just going to open these up if I could. Okay, wait for it. Okay, it's so hard to open it up like this. So let me grab a knife. Okay, मुझे लगता है कि काम हो गया इसी से. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's very hard and difficult to open it up with one hand. So try and get. Okay. Yeah. So here we have this one, guys. Okay, it's very hard. Okay. So designed by Apple in California. So finally, the AirPods. Oh my God, they're quite heavy. Okay. Wow. So the AirPods. And then what we have here. Okay, we have a lightning cable, which is always good to have. Apple की lightning cable because original जो होती है वो original ही होती है. So happy for it. So let's open this up. Okay. So finally एक हाथ से flap open करना is very difficult. So here we have, for the first time, the Apple AirPods. Yay! Hey everyone, how are you? Hope that you're fine and amazing. So this is a few days after when I started this vlog, and my dado died. It was a very surreal experience, though we had in mind that she is not in her best condition, but it had to happen. So she died, and जो जनाजा था, everything was at our house. So I've been extremely busy, and after that, like, कल कुल थे, and everyone left, and I've been so tired because I was doing everything here. It was in my house, so I had to do everything. जिस दिन दादू की डेथ हुई, जनाजा था, और इतनी ठंड थी. It was drizzling, हल्की हल्की बारिश हो रही थी, और साथ में जो है वो ठंडी हवा थी, and the weather was so bad. लेकिन अगले दिन जिस दिन कुल थे, इतनी शदीद धूप थी कि एवरीथिंग वाज लाइक मेल्टिंग. और बस ये टेम्परेचर चेंज में और अपना बिल्कुल टेक केयर ना करने की वजह से आई गॉट अ लिटिल कफ. एंड कल रात, आफ्टर द कोल्ड्स एंड एवरीथिंग, आई गॉट शावर एंड आई केम टू द बेड, बट आई वाज शिवरिंग एंड मुझे बहुत शदीद वाला बुखार हो गया. Abhi, I'm a little fine, still in the bed. Haven't done anything. I just took medicine and feeling a little better. But I wanted to end this vlog and tell you guys that my dado died. I went to her house where she used to live. And I entered and I had so many memories when I used to visit her. She used to sit on her chair, and I used to go and hug her, and she used to say aa gaya tenu time mil gaya. So all those sweet memories we had. It was a difficult time. And I wanted to end this vlog. I just want to say कि प्लीज़ आप लोग दुआ कीजिएगा कि अल्लाह पाक दादो को जो है वो जन्नत में जगाता फरमाए, कि आगे वाली जो भी मराहिल हैं उनके लिए आसानियाँ हो आगे. And that's it. I just wanted to finish this vlog, and yeah, So I'll see you guys in the next one, and तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिए. Finally, love is from my side.